Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Which index option to choose, whether it is a call option or put option, which strike price for tomorrow. All these details will be discussed in this short video. This video is created only for educational purpose. Share market trading involves huge financial risk and consult your financial advisor before investment. Let us go to the chart of Nifty. So Nifty, it is currently trading in an uptrend channel. So after kind of making its low of 7500 levels, it bounced and then taking a kind of major resistance at this 9100 to 9300 zones over the last couple of weeks. So this 9250 to 9300 is a crucial level because it also coming under the Fibonacci retracement levels, which is at 38%. So at 38%, the value is 9320, and yesterday also it rejected at 9324, which is the day high. So this clearly indicates Nifty is still in a kind of not in a recovery mode, and it is still in the kind of consolidation, or kind of it might go below. So don't consider for making a long position. Still then just hold on with your long-term investments until it makes a kind of very good bullish candle over here and gives a confirmation that I have recovered from this kind of level. Until then, just hold on to your positions. And let us go to the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has given a kind of very good breakout from this symmetrical triangle trend. It has given a very good breakout, and if it gives kind of confirmation above this level, and if it sustains above this level, one can consider a kind of long position on the Bank Nifty stocks and also with the Bank Nifty. So till then, hold on with your kind of positions. If you go to the option chain of Nifty is kind of building its kind of momentum, and IV is also very much closer and kind of very much logical 40s and 35s, so which clearly indicates that it might not drop, kind of face a kind of very big drops. So it might trade a kind of neutral thing, or it might fluctuate very minimal. And for tomorrow's trade, one can consider because this 9000 is giving a kind of major support, and on the upside 9500 is giving a kind of major resistance for the Nifty to move up. And also there is a huge kind of volume has been placed at 9300 level, which will act as a major resistance for tomorrow's trade, and it might push up to this 9200 level. If any kind of call unwinding takes place, that will give us a very good kind of direction towards the Nifty's movement. And if you go to the Bank Nifty, the volume of the option chain is very minimal, and we don't get any kind of big data from this. But if you see, IV is at 60 plus, so which clearly indicates it might drop a bit, or maybe there may be some volatility in the Bank Nifty stocks. So that's the main reason why I ask you to hold long on Bank Nifty. And let us go to the global scenario. SGX Nifty, which is trading somewhere neutral, 9200 to 9300 levels only, so that is also not indicating a kind of direction for tomorrow's trade. And which option you can choose for tomorrow? So Nifty, which has opened a kind of 270 gained 274 points on Friday's trade, has given a kind of indication that it just stepped out of the trend line, and unless otherwise it trades above that 9300 level or 9325 level, it is still bearish, and it might fall back to the ranges of 8500 to 8400 levels, which is the resistance level on the current trend. So considering all the scenario for tomorrow's trade, I would suggest to go ahead with 9300 put option unless it gives a kind of breakout above 9300 level. So as long as it stays below 9300 level, pick this 9300 put option, otherwise pick this 9400 put option. So you can go ahead with any of these two put options for Nifty. And coming to the Bank Nifty, as long as it stays below 21000 level, so you can consider these two put options, 20700 put option and 21000 put option. So these two will definitely give a kind of good return for your kind of investments. So Bank Nifty is 9300 and 9400 put option, for whereas for Bank Nifty it is 20700 and 21000 put option. And let us go to the TLP program. TLP is nothing but a train like a pro and trade like a pro program. It's a 6-day online course training program on a daily basis, 1 to 2 hours a day, and all of these topics have been covered. So day 2 to day 5 will give a kind of very good indication for you, because day 1 is a kind of basics and kind of how to read this charting and all the patterns, what are all the patterns available. And then day 2 it covers all the fundamental and technical analysis. Day 3 is resistance and support and resistance with the trend line and Fibonacci retracement. Day 4 is the one of the critical thing which gives you insight into the stock selection and strategies using moving average, RSI, and how you can use unconventionally moving average and RSI. And next day is much detail into futures and options and index options, and also commodity like crude, gold, and silver. And on last day we will discuss on positional investment and modified long-term investment. That is a kind of new strategy which can be used for long-term trading, and also it covers the discipline of the trading. And welcome to the TLP program. Those who are interested can contact me over my WhatsApp number given below, and also through my Telegram link. Thank you, and have a profitable and successful trading week ahead. Thank you. Bye.